Hello, my name is Jesus. I am engineer, and this is my daily routine. Um, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, and on weekdays and on the weekend, I get up at 10 o'clock in the morning. Uh, then I prepare breakfast at uh, half half past uh, half past 7 in the morning, and immediately take a shower and put on comfortable clothes to work. Uh, at 8 o'clock in the morning, I enter the daily work meeting with the other co-workers, and at half past 8 in the morning I start my work. At at mm, 10 o'clock in the morning, like a snack, and I keep working until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I am going to have lunch and then take a break to that. Uh, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I resume work. At 4 o'clock, I take I take a break. And at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I finish my work, and at half past 5 in the afternoon, I start my gym activities until uh, half past 6 in the afternoon. On Tuesday, only until 6 o'clock in the afternoon, in order to enter college class at 7 o'clock in the evening. I take a bath, and on Tuesday at 8 o'clock in the evening. Uh, then I start studying things about my career uh, from 7 half past 7 in the evening until 9 o'clock in the evening. Uh, I go to dinner at half past 9 in the night, and before bed at and before bed at 9 half past 9 in the evening. I playing a little video games, and at half past 10 in the night I go to sleep. And on Saturday and Sunday, after getting up at 10 half past 10 in the morning, I have breakfast and shower, and then tidy up my room, and do housework, and then have lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. rest until 2 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I go to gym to 2:30 in the afternoon to 3:30 in the afternoon. Well, I order to do so I can do college work all afternoon and later at 6:30 in the morning. Playing video game again. Then at 8 8:30 in the evening, I resume my studies. Have dinner at 9:30 in the night, and go to sleep at 10:30 in the night.